Hello everyone. I'm creating this short to request you, if you have attempted this UET PG paper for psychology, do consider posting your memory based questions in the series of shorts that will be uploaded on this channel. So far I have uploaded 2 shorts for memory based questions on this channel for the CUET PG psychology. This will help us ensure that we create more such shorts and post answer to the memory based questions. Uh, Unlike other tests where memory based questions are actually usually published by different coaching institutions or by students themselves on internet, we do not see this happen with the CUET, UG or PG. The reason being, CUET PG is actually being conducted to take admissions into the universities, and there are many specializations, so there may not be too many students taking up psychology, and that's one of the reasons. So do consider